Happy Monday, guys. Let me show you what I traded, but first of all, watch this video.
9 EMA as well. So above this 281, 282 on video, and below this 262, 263-ish. Looks interesting for upside and downside play. Set alerts.
This is the market preparation webinar that we had yesterday on Sunday for Meta Trading Club Incubator members. Yesterday I said NVDA is on watch, and look what happened today. And this is what happened to NVDA all the way up till 285 after the break of this 281.5 till 282 zone. And I caught NVDA calls up around $1,000, not a lot, but it's a good start for the week and month. Now, if you want to learn how to trade, check out the link in my bio, download ebook From Struggles to Trading Profits, and watch the free trading lesson.